You remember when I told you that AI is the future of filmmaking? Well, the future has officially arrived. Today I'm going to show you a video that completely blew my mind when I first saw it. And instead of explaining the video, let me show you it and you will see yourself.
And here it comes now. Every check is green so far. It really is extraordinary. Absolutely sensational. This is the fastest lap we have seen in the circuit, coming in at 1 minute and 5 seconds. If he holds this up, he'll be rewriting history today. There's something about this run. You can feel it. Every corner gets smooth. Almost like he's dancing with the car. Here we go now. The final bend to win the 1985 Grand.
Get it together. Just a dream.
Hello and welcome to the AIshortfilm Grand Prix. We're here at one of the most challenging and historic circuits on the calendar, where sharp corners and blistering straights have given us some of the most iconic and heartbreaking moments in motorsport. The conditions are near perfect today, with cool temperatures and a dry track setting us up for some incredible racing action. And keep an eye on this rookie sensation.
Radio check. Julian, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. Car feels good.
Copy that. Remember, first lap will be chaos. Keep it clean, stay out of trouble.
Clean, out of trouble. Got it.
And away we go in the AIshortfilm Grand Prix.
Nice one, Julian. Hold position for now.
I'm not holding. I'm going for it.
Rookie Julian Cross looking to overtake.
What the?
You don't have to be me.
Then who am I supposed to be?
The one who gets it right.
Dad? I'm scared I'll end up like you.
And make it mean something.
You really think I can?
You already are. My son, don't mirror.
Julian, mode's good. Send it.
Breathe, Julian. Pick your mark.
Now.
And he's through. Lovely move by the rookie.
Red Bull still in front. +6. +4.
Not yet, son.
+2. You got him, Julian.
Let him over defend.
+1.
Copy.
Breathe. Now. You did it, kid.
Wow. This piece is absolute genius. The emotions, the physics of car movements, everything. This proves that with the creative mindset and with the right tools, you will be limitless. The sky is the end. And by the way, guys, this video is actually part of the KlingAI Next Gen Creative Contest. It's one of the films that made it to the top 3 entries. And you can check all the other entries in the link in the description. These works were showcased during the Tokyo International Film Festival content market. This really highlights the incredible capabilities of AI in video creation. And to give you a clear idea of how powerful the physics and the motions in this video, let's compare it to similar moments from big production movies like F1. Take the car movement here. The way it drifts, accelerates, and reacts to rain. It honestly reminded me of the scenes of the movie F1. The momentum, the camera shakes, the tire reaction, they have captured it all so well. It almost feels real. And remember, this is all AI generated.
But they brought an upgrade pack!
No. Car feels good.
Hayes pulls alongside the Red Bull! Go for it!
The rookie attacks in 11!
Come on, stay with me. Stay with me now.
Not yet, son.
+2. You got him, Julian.
Let him over defend.
+1.
Copy.
Breathe. Now.
And if you wonder how the heck these videos are made, let's dig into the trenches and let me give you a quick tutorial of how to create something like this. It will be step by step and we will see if we can get something good. I know I'm putting myself on trouble because I'm not a filmmaker, but let's put our skills to the test and see what can we do. So the first thing you should start with is one frame, one image of the idea that you have. So I will start by going to ChatGPT and giving it the main idea that I'm having. I'm having the idea of a man riding his beach buggy and there is a dinosaur running after him. There should be a fight or something. So this is really putting me into stress because this should be an action movie, which is really difficult, believe me guys. So let's start by this. So here is the prompt: young man driving a beach buggy of high speed through dense jungles, etc. Let's copy this and go to Midjourney, which I believe right now this is the best AI model to use to generate scenes, especially if you want dynamic motions, if you want weird angles, stylized effects. So let's put this here and I will increase the stylization to like 300. This will give me really stylized effects and I'll show you the difference if I didn't increase this. And let's press create and let me show you the results. These are the results without stylization. These results were made by Stylized 200 and it looks good. The motion is great. The atmosphere is really cinematic and really nice. I even tried to put my face right here, which has done a decent job. But this one I really like. And I started to increase the stylization to 300. And let me show you the results. Now we are talking. Look at this. This angle is really nice, really powerful, and it captured the emotions. So this is really a solid image to start with. So let's just download this image, and if you zoom in you will find that the face details are not good. There are imperfections everywhere, but the overall visual or the image is great. So we can upscale it, and the best tool to upscale images like this, in my opinion, is of course Magnific. And I show you why right now. So let's head over magnific.ai and let's upload our image from here. And I guess to X Factor is good. Maybe you can make for X Factor because this is the main image and the main scene. And let's put here the same prompt. And for the creativity, let's just make it 1. And maybe we can increase the resemblance to 1 as well. And let's change the optimized for this to nature and landscapes. This will optimize the scene to nature elements, which will give some details and textures into the plants and so on. And then press upscale. So look at this. Man, this is day and night. Look at the face, the T-Rex, the details are incredible. That's why I love Magnific. Of course, Topaz Labs, I guess, has Bloom, which gives us decent results as well. And you can use them now right inside Photoshop. But this is the best if you want quality, in my opinion. Really nice. Now we have a solid picture to start with. We need perspective different scenes from the same environment. So how can we do this? I believe you know what I'm going to do, which is using Nano Banana to generate this. So let's just put this into Photoshop, and you can use Nano Banana anywhere else, but I prefer using it inside Photoshop because I can easily fix some AI things like, what is this? Like this one. So we can easily use the clone stamp tool or any remove object tool to remove this. So let's just select this area and boom, it's now removed. Now I will press Ctrl A, and using the generative fill, I'll choose Nano Banana and write this prompt. Make a full body shot of this image where I can see the jungles and full body of the beach buggy, and then press generate. And now this is awesome. Look at this. This is after, this is before, this is after, which is really nice. Now I can export this image and put it into Magnific, you know the process, to upscale it. And then I press Ctrl A and generated another top view scene, which is called the bird's eye view. This gives you a context about the environment. The prompt changes the perspective of the shot to a top angle shot, as if it's taken from above a tree, high motion, flying dirt, and cinematic. And look at this, man. This is beautiful. I'm feeling excited right now. Really excited. The ideas now are coming from everywhere to my mind. So let's go on. Let's have like a back shot view. So let's go to this image again, press Ctrl A, and let's write this prompt. Show the other side of the image, back shot view. And let's see. All right. This is not bad, but let's make some other tries. Press generate. This is not it, what I want. And this one looks, I don't know. Let's see the other ones. This is actually good. This gives me an idea to make the man holding like a gun and shooting the dinosaur through the chasing, you know? I believe we can use this one. So for this, let's select everything here. Let's write this prompt. Make the man holding a bazooka with his hands above his shoulders and shooting the dinosaur with some fire. Now let's see the result. Man, look at this. This is amazing. So let's upscale it as well. And I guess we are having now enough images to start with. So here are the upscaled images. The first one, the full shot, the top view shot, and this back shot as well, and this one. So let's start using these images to create a movie. And for this, I'll head to Kling.ai to use their latest model, Kling 2.5 Turbo and Kling 2.1, which is having the start and end frame feature. The 2.5 version is better, and it has the max creativity, but it doesn't have the feature of first frame and second frame. So we can change between them depending on the version that we have. So let's upload our start frame. And for this, I guess I will use this image as the man is escaping from the dinosaur, and then the camera is going to rotate and we will see the fight. This is the idea that I'm having in my mind. So let's upload this image. And let's write the prompt here. What I like about KlingAI is this DeepSeek integration. This is a really cool integration because if you don't know how to put a great prompt, you don't have to go to ChatGPT and get back to Kling again. This will help you so much. So let's just write the prompt. So the man driving the beach buggy fast, escaping from the dinosaur with a lot of dust and dirt around, and fast dynamic camera motion. This is obviously awful, so let's use DeepSeek to enhance it. Yeah, now we're talking. The man drives a beach buggy at high speed through a dense jungle, flanked from a roaring T-Rex. The camera follows the vehicle's chaotic escape path as clouds and dust and dirt. That is what I'm talking about. It's really detailed prompt. So let's just press on it, and we can even put some sound effects here. So for this, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me the sound effects and music prompts for the same scene. So here it is. This is really detailed. We can just copy it, and maybe this is too much. Let's just copy this and put it into the sound. Yeah, it's too much. So we can erase all of that. Just leave them. And this is the music. So press Ctrl+C and put it here, and let's delete the rest. This is very nice. Let's choose the outputs to 1 or 2 outputs, and let's make it 10 seconds, and let's press generate, and let's see the results. No, this one is not good. Let's generate another one. I'm not sure why it kept moving the vehicle backwards, so let's stress on that. A man drives a beach buggy forward. Okay, so let's press generate and see. This is better, but there's something weird in this one. Let's try another one. Yeah, now we are talking. So this one is actually really nice. Let's just mute this. This one looks really nice, and we can cut it from here. And then we can go to the next scene. Perfect. Now we are having the first scene into our video. So now we can use this feature into Kling 2.1, which is the start frame and the end frame. And this is simply, you are having the first frame of the clip, and you are having the end frame of the clip, and you are asking AI to make a scene between them, and it should be seamless. So let's just upload our images, the first and end frame. And yeah, fast forward from the editing. This is really time consuming, guys. It took me really long time to get the best results. It has a lot of trial and error, but it is basically the same process. You're just uploading the images, putting the prompts, trying to tweak it until you get the best shot you are having in your mind, and then put everything together into any video editing software. And for this, I used Premiere Pro. Started to put everything together, started to cut some scenes from specific parts, put some music effects, and some parts there were some inconsistencies, so I started to speed up the clips, maybe sometimes put like a motion blur effect here to just hide some imperfections from the transition between two clips. And yeah, let me show you the final result. That was it. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this movie in the comments. Do you like it or not? Of course, it's not perfect. Of course, it has a huge room to develop. But guys, please look at this. This is completely AI generated. I made it alone in a couple of hours. I don't know anything about direction, about storytelling, about filmmaking. This is just like a kid playing around. So the future is really promising in the filmmaking industry. Sorry, it's not the future, it's already here. Let me know, guys, in the comments, what do you think about this AI scene filmmaking stuff. And yeah, see you soon in next tutorials. Peace. So the future is really promising in the filmmaking industry. Sorry, it's not the future, it's already here. Let me know, guys, in the comments, what do you think about this AI scene filmmaking stuff. And yeah, see you soon in next tutorials. Peace.